Alright guys, so I welcome everyone to the channel. This is Daniel Light, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus, which I'm sure if you follow this video step by step to the end, you'll be able to get this $100 bonus. And firstly, I'll be going through the terms and conditions with you guys so that I can give you a clear insight on what you'll be meeting in this bonus. So if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to click on the subscription button, like and share to others. So without wasting much of your time, you can see up here the name of the broker will be getting the bonus from, which is Orion Market. So going into the terms and condition, if you look closely into the screen, you'll see the bonus will be traded for 15 days. You have to trade the bonus for 15 days, and after the 15th day the bonus will be removed and you'll be able to withdraw your profit. So as you can see how the profit will be calculated, you won't be able to withdraw the total profit you made, but the profit you made divided by 3. So for example, if you have to withdraw like $30, you must have traded 10 lot size, so stuff like that. So going into the bonus, you can see everything about the terms and conditions. So I'll be showing you steps through which you'll be able to claim it. All you have to do is to pay attention carefully. So right here you have to put in your details after clicking on the link, which I will add to the description. You put in your details right here correctly, and then you agree to this terms and condition, this empty box. You click on it. Once you click on the boxes, then you click on continue. So right here you have to verify your Gmail right here. So they'll send the code to your Gmail, which you just go straight to get. Once you copy the code, you can see it right here. See the code right here. I'll zoom in for you. You copy the code and go straight back to paste it. Once you paste it, so you see I copied the code and you go back to paste it. So once you paste it there, you'll be able to click on continue. Once you click on continue, then it logs you in to the main site, where you'll be able to see that your email have been confirmed, have been verified. Alright, so after being logged in, as you can see, we're ready to verify your details. So the very first step you have to take is to verify your details by clicking on upload, showing down here. Once you click on upload, it takes you to this part where you have to click add your details according to what you have in your documents. As you can see what I just did here, I select the type of details I want to submit, which is ID card or passport. And next, after filling the details, if you click on this white box right here, it will take you to your gallery or takes you to your camera, where you can just snap your documents and upload to them. And also, if you have a picture of it already, you can just click on it from your gallery and send it to them. So you can see right here it's showing pending, and the next thing is to do is to verify or upload a proof of address, which you can use your bank statement and other utility bill and stuff like that. So once you click on proof of address and you've put in the details, you click on that white box, also that same white box which you clicked on to upload your document. You click on it and then you select a PDF of your bank statement, or I don't know if they accept screenshot also, but you select a PDF of your bank statement and upload it to them after filling every document, every details correctly about your proof of address. So the next step, once you've uploaded the PDF of your bank statement, you can see right here also it's also showing pending. Now the third part for verification you need to do is to take a selfie of your ID card, of you holding your ID card, and also upload it to them. You can see showing on your screen the third process of verification showing right here, showing pending. And for me, I left it for like an hour. After an hour, I got an email that I've been verified, a message like this. Alright, so the next step is to go back to the site, click on these 3 lines showing up here, and then try to create a trading account with them. So once you get here, you click on open new account. Once you click on open new account, then it brings this option. It brings all these options. Then you see down here, sign up bonus MT5. So this is what you'll be choosing. Once you click on this, then it will bring the options where you'll be able to set the settings for the account by choosing the type of leverage you want, and also the type of currency which you'll be using. So once you're done doing all that, you click on continue, and then you should have something like this showing on your screen. So getting something like this showing on your screen, you go back to your Gmail to get login details for the MT5.